right down in here, this camshaft right here, bit of a groove on it right there. You can hear it with the screwdriver. We go over to the neighbor here, smooth, super smooth. So back over the suspect camshaft, we go underneath and check out the little rocker there, and we can hear have some play, up and down play, and you don't want that. It's supposed to be like this guy here, nice and tight. Wiggling back and forth is okay, but not up and down. We go over here, we still have the wiggling, but there's also up and down play. So that is your noise we're hearing.